Hey there, garden lovers! Welcome back to Decor Insider, your happy place for all things home, garden, and design. If you have ever dreamed of picking fresh veggies from your backyard but hate waiting months for results, this video is for you. Today, we are sharing 10 of the fastest growing vegetables that you can plant right now and enjoy within just a few weeks. These veggies are perfect for beginners, small spaces, or anyone who loves quick, rewarding results. So, grab your garden gloves and let's dive into the list of speedy growers that'll fill your table fast. Radishes, 20 to 30 days. Radishes are one of the quickest and easiest vegetables to grow, perfect for beginners. Plant the seeds directly into the soil, keep them evenly watered, and you'll see sprouts in just a few days. They love cool weather and can be grown in spring or fall. In about 3 weeks, you'll have crisp, colorful radishes ready to pull up. Lettuce, 25 to 45 days. Fresh, crunchy, and super fast, lettuce is ideal for quick harvest. You can grow it in garden beds, pot, or even shallow containers. Leaf varieties like buttercrunch or romaine let you pick outer leaves as they grow, so you get a continuous supply of greens. It prefers cooler weather and light shade in hot areas. Harvest in as little as 25 days for tender leaves. Spinach, 30 to 40 days. Spinach grows fast and is packed with nutrients like iron and vitamins. Planted in early spring or late fall for best result, as it doesn't like extreme heat. Keep the soil moist and pick the outer leaves first. The inner ones will keep growing. Within a month, you'll have a steady harvest of soft, flavorful greens perfect for smoothies, salads, or cooking. Green onions, 20 to 30 days. Also known as scallions, green onions grow quickly and don't need much space. Plant seeds or even use the white bulb ends from store-bought ones. They'll regrow easily in soil or water. In just 3 to 4 weeks, you'll have slender green stalks ready to snip. They're great for adding fresh flavor to soups, salads, and stir-fries. Baby carrots, 30 to 50 days. If you love sweet, crunchy carrots but hate waiting, try baby varieties like Little Finger or Paris Market. These smaller carrots grow faster and do well in loose, sandy soil. Keep the area weed-free and water consistently for the best growth. In about 40 days, you'll have colorful, bite-sized carrots that kids will love to pick and eat right from the garden. Bok choy, 30 to 45 days. Bok choy, or Chinese cabbage, is a quick-growing leafy green full of flavor and nutrition. It grows best in cool weather and can be planted in spring or fall. The leaves and stems are both edible, perfect for soups, noodles, or stir-fries. It matures in around 40 days, but you can harvest baby bok choy even earlier for tender texture. Arugula, 20 to 30 days. Arugula is a peppery, flavorful green that grows incredibly fast. It's easy to grow in small pots, garden beds, or balcony planters. Plant seeds close together and thin them later for bigger leaves. Within 3 to 4 weeks, you'll have fresh greens ready to harvest, perfect for adding a zesty bite to salads, pizzas, or sandwiches. Turnips, 30 to 55 days. Turnips are a double win. You get to enjoy both the roots and the greens. They grow best in cooler weather and loose, fertile soil. Young turnips are sweet and tender, while the greens are delicious when sautéed. You can start harvesting baby turnips in about 30 days, or let them mature a bit longer for full size. Cucumbers, 45 to 55 days. Cucumbers are warm weather favorites that grow super fast once they take off. Start them from seeds or seedlings in sunny spots with well-drained soil. Bush varieties are great for small spaces or containers, while vining types need a trellis to climb. In 6 to 8 weeks, you'll be picking crisp, refreshing cucumbers, perfect for salads or pickles. Bush beans, 40 to 55 days. Bush beans are among the easiest vegetables to grow and harvest. They germinate quickly and grow into compact plants that don't need support. Just keep the soil moist and weed-free, and you'll see pods forming in about 6 weeks. Pick them regularly to keep the plant producing more. Fresh, crunchy beans taste amazing straight from the garden.